So, in Iceland, we are required to have the headlights on always by law. So, auto, it's not working daytime, parking lights, headlights. On the side of the car, you have your luggage compartment under the bed. In the back of the van, you'll find your accessories. So, under the bed, you'll find the table, 2 chairs. You have a cutlery box right over here. On the cutlery box, you'll find a gas stove. It's quite easy to use, but there are common mistakes. You need to flip this panel before you do anything. You need to check if the gas canister is in the right position. To lock the gas canister, you need to press this one here. This here will never go down unless this panel is flipped. And you have an inbuilt lighter inside. What do we have more? In the back of the cooler, you have a cable for any external electricity. You will need it if you want to use the 230 sockets. Also, you can use the cable to charge your battery in the camping site overnight. In the back of the cooler, you'll also find a water bottle and one extra portable heater. So, this portable heater will only function if you have electricity externally to use the 230 volt sockets. When you are connected to a camping site, you can connect this portable heater. We recommend either place it on the dashboard or anywhere where it's stable, because under it there is a safety switch. It needs to be pressed in to be able to function. The fuse box is always supposed to be up. If it's down, it has lost electricity. This part right here is going to be operating your heating system, and also you have a switch here to turn on the cooler. You have a USB port and a USB-C. This is also a volt indicator. Anything under 12 is low on battery. What you're mainly thinking about is charging this battery. You have 2 batteries in the car. One is for the engine, one is for the back of the van. To charge fully this battery in the back, you need to drive at least 3 hours with the lights on. When you've done that and you want to set up the camp, you want to heat up your car, you want to start by having the car engine on and then pressing this top button here. It's okay to have it at this temperature. You wait for around 15-20 minutes maximum, and you can turn off the engine and regulate your heat. This is going to be your home for the next few days, so take great care.